Hi, and this is how you make some super cool bubble art paper. To need this, you'll need a cup of water, a piece of paper, some paint, a straw, and some dish soap. The first step is to squeeze a little bit of paint into the water. To the same cup of water, you'll add equal parts of dish soap. And using your straw, you're going to mix both of these together until it's one even color. Your water should look like this when you're done mixing. So you're going to blow bubbles into the water until they bubble over the lip of the cup. Do not drink the water. The bubbles get over the lip of the cup. You're going to take your paper and you're going to press it onto the bubbles. At first, it may look like there's nothing on the paper, but the more you repeat the process, the more color will show up. Once all of the bubbles are done settling, you will have this super cool bubble art paper. I will now show you how to draw a super cool house on top of your bubble art paper. First, you're going to need to draw a straight line across. Next, you're going to draw two vertical lines parallel to each other. Next, you're going to draw a roof on your house. Then you're going to add a door and two windows. And to make it more realistic, we're going to add little grass to the lawn by drawing little W's and M's. Lastly, add a tree to make it look more like a real house. You do this by drawing little V's upside down. There you go, that's how you draw a house on your super cool new DIY bubble paper.